Fantom continues to see a bit of a breakdown move after getting rejected at our key area of resistance that lies between the 0.727 and the 0.6755. And at the time of this recording, we have also lost a key area of support above the 0.6487, flipping it back into resistance. And on today's video, I will be discussing the significant key areas of supports that you need to continue holding, basing my analysis on the additive structures. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And for those of you that might want to take a trade on Fantom, you can check out BitGet, which is my go-to exchange. And you can see that on sign up, you can now claim a welcome pack of up to 6,200 USDT. And all you need to do, and all you need to have for you to register for an account is an email address, and alternatively you can use your mobile number. Jumping back to the chart, I want to start the video here on the 4-hour chart by first giving you a quick recap of what has been happening from the lows that we made on the 5th of August, where you can see that we started a very nice bounce to the upside, and we first peaked in this 5-wave structure in a move that gave us a high above the 0.5367, completing the formation of this additive count 1. Then we started a bit of a short-term pullback in this additive count 2 into the minimum target areas for the second wave highlighted here on the charts. And after we fully maximized the minimum target areas for that second wave, we saw very impulsive movement to the upside in the formation of that additive count 3 in a move that gave us a high above the 0.7647. And having picked in that additive count 1, I have been expecting to see a bit of a short-term pullback in an additive count 4, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based, the Fibonacci's from the low of the second wave to the high of this additive count 1, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.382, and that is between the 0.6101 and the 0.5618, which is the area that I have marked here on the chart. And you can see that at some point we had seen a pullback into this area, so a bit of a reaction to the upside. Though bounce to the upside now seems to be a corrective structure, where we can term it as an ABC corrective structure, terming this as a wave A, and the bounce over here was a wave B, and I'm still expecting one more new low in a wave C to fully maximize our minimum target area. Once we have a low in place for that additive count 4, then I will be expecting to see Fantom give us an aggressive bounce to the upside in an additive count 5. So that is the price action that I'm expecting to play out here on the Fantom chart on the short term and also on the long term. And we need to continue paying attention to the key area of resistance above the 0.6487, because a break above that, flipping it back into support, there's a chance that we can easily bounce again to the upside. And if by any chance we manage to break above the significant highs we made above the 0.7139 and the 0.7649, then that will be suggesting that we have a low in place in this wave 4, and that impulsive movement in a wave 5 is now getting started. But as long as we are holding below those significant highs and below these significant key area of resistance, there's a very high chance that we are going to get one more new low in a wave C before we can finally bounce to the upside in this additive count 5. So that is the price action that I'm expecting here on the Fantom chart, and let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.